Please stop comparing the politicians to children, Andrea. Children are honestly much better behaved than this group of clowns, says this listener. Another texter says, I think it's disgraceful behaviour by our representatives. The world is watching and laughing. Another listener tells me that the whole lot of them are a disgrace. The elections were in November and still no work done, no committees formed, no legislation, house prices continuing to go up and up. This texter says, Irish politics is in the gutter, it's a laughingstock. Another listener says there needs to be a vote of no confidence in each and every one of them. All of them. Absolutely. Another listener, this is making my blood boil. They're getting paid for this kind of behaviour. We need educated, professional people in government. I am never going to vote again, says this listener. €115,000, 953 cents. That's what each and every one of them are getting. And if that makes your blood boil, you and I and every other taxpayer listening to this show have contributed to the approximately €7.7 million, from what I'm reading this morning, paid to these TDs since last November's general election. And you might remember 3 weeks ago on this show, we were only talking about the fact that TDs had claimed more than 567,000 in expenses for December alone, the first month of the new Dáil term, when the House sat on just one occasion.